What's happening, everybody? Jay Shockblast here, and very exciting moment. I've been waiting a long time for this. We're gonna just bust right in using my little Skyrim letter opener. This should be my silver play button. Doing it with one hand here. This is a proud moment in my life. I want to thank all the people that made it possible. Very well protected. Go ahead and put that off to the side. Put more up. Oh yeah. Here we go. Glitter. 100,000 subscribers. That's more than double the size of a packed Roman Colosseum, and more than 10 times the number of people who set the human domino world record. We understand the dedication and talent it takes to reach 100,000 YouTube viewers. We wanted you to know that we don't take your achievement for granted. You delivered the audience, now we're delivering the rewards. To commemorate your milestone 100,000 YouTube subscribers, please accept this with our congratulations, the silver play button. You know you'll continue to create amazing content and bring in more fans, so we'll keep looking forward to ways to reward you. Thanks for being awesome. Tom Pickett, Vice President, Global Head of Content Operations from YouTube. It's a really cool piece of paper. I'll probably frame it. Oh, here it is. A peek. Oh my God. See if you can see the smile on my face. So great. Thank you guys so much. I probably should have turned my TV off. This is going to go right over the sink. There's my washcloth. Alright, it's not going to go over the sink, but it's going to go somewhere special. It's going to go right here for right now. 100,000 subscriber silver play button. It's a pretty nice looking piece. I am so thankful of everybody. So thankful to YouTube. So thankful to the Gamer Network, TGN Army, all the people at TGN that have helped me get here, especially Liam, my recruiter, who convinced me that this was a good idea to join their network, and Jason, who's done a lot for me as well at TGN. Just thanks to all those guys. I'm just so beyond excited. Yeah, so I guess the next goal is the gold play button, right? Gotta get this bad boy up to 1 million, right? So, hope everybody enjoyed sharing in my excitement. This is probably the best unboxing video I've ever done. I hope you enjoy listening to Sports Center in the background. I probably should have rethought that, but whatever. I might re-record this. I don't know. But, wow. Thank you so much, guys. I love you. Goodbye.